What's up, everybody? Last week when I published my blueberry muffin bread, one of my buddies reached out to me and said, "Dude, I bet that would make killer French toast." So today, a little bonus video. I saved just the last little bit of that loaf because, let's be honest, the best French toast does not come from fresh bread, in my opinion. And I'm going to throw together a quick bonus video. Let's figure out if that works. Let's get cooking. So, there's one. Got two. I'll snack on that later. I've never really put much thought into French toast recipes. I always just kind of mix stuff up. Splash of milk, huh? Yep. Little flour. Little salt. Little sugar. Little cinnamon. Little allspice. Little vanilla. Works for me. Let those get all nice and dredged. Oh yeah. I like it. We'll come over here. I got this heated up to just below medium heat. And let's get some butter going. Ooh. All right. Let's see what kind of color we got. See, this bread is so moist. I'm trying to be delicate with it. Okay. A little longer. Okay, let's check that. Oh yeah. Closed off. Oh baby, look at that. That get all melty. Oh no. Let's see what we've done here. Huh? Oh. Okay. See what French toast made with blueberry muffin bread is like. Super soft. Mmm. Oh. Oh, guys. Holy damn. Oh. Oh my goodness. Not only can you make French toast with blueberry muffin bread, but you should make blueberry muffin bread for French toast. That's unbelievably good. Like, that is unlike anything I've ever had for breakfast in my entire life. Huge shout out to JD for giving me this idea. Thank you, brother. Worthwhile. I'll have to make you some next time I see you. So yeah, go check out the video for this recipe and send me your French toast recipes. My entire life, just been throwing stuff together and kind of never put much thought into it, so share that with me. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I'll see you next time at the neighbor's kitchen. Like, subscribe, do all the things, you know. See ya!